sabi niya na sinabihan ko man kasi na marami naghahintay sa kanya everyday dito. Masaya siya. Sabi niya, pag makalabas siya, he will personally thank you pag once he gets out. Thank you for your enduring trust and confidence in him. That was his specific words. So, he's happy. He's optimistic kasi nakikita niya. Kasi nga, nakukwento namin, since nung illegal arrest niya until now, marami sa inyo talaga, lalo na rin mga OFW, na kung kahit nasa iba-ibang lugar, all over Europe and some, New Zealand, no? See? Oh, yeah. So marami sa atin na hindi from Netherlands, but from really far away. So England, New York, Sweden. So ako Davao. So aware siya na ganon yung sitwasyon. So I think he's happy. Though kasi nasa loob siya eh. That takes away a lot of strength from you. But knowing that you are here, I think may bibit-bitin siya sa tulog niya na alam niya may nagmamahal sa kanya at lagi nagsusuporta. So malaking bagay, kahit sa amin din, kami pamilya kami, yung tatay namin dyan, yung husband niya. Kita niyo, kikilig, di ba? Nasa loob. But anyway, okay naman. Masaya kami. As a family, masaya kami na nandyan kayo because hindi naman tayo magkadugo. I know but nobody ever told you to do this. I know that you're doing this out because gusto nyo lang and you really believe in him.
Yes.
So, maraming salamat sa inyo. Wala akong masabi. Siguro kung walang ganitong klaseng suporta from the Filipinos, ayaw ko na rin. Ang hirap eh. Ang hirap ng sitwasyon. We are against an entire administration. So, pag wala kayo, wala. Baka bukas nga, wala na ako. Di ba? Hindi natin alam eh. But I know that my father and especially my sister also ngayon, na nandyan pa, is protected by the people.
Sir,
That's why 2028 senador.
Okay ra ko. May magbanday sa Davao. Okay ra. Di, magkataas imuhang posisyon, magkadako imong problema. Dire ra ko sa kanang kuan, Davao ra ko. Ay ko ninyo gilabte.
Sir, may pag-uusap po ba kung ano yung mga priority programs ng projects ni PRD as Mayor of Davao City?
Wala man, kay nangumusta lang siya sa Davao. So, yung tinanong niya kung ano status, sabi ko okay naman, yung turnout ng elections shows that they still believe in him. Kasi siya yung tumatakbo na mayor. So, tambak talaga yung kalaban despite of in spite of na ang dami nilang pera na ginamit, yung tinayuan nila yung resources ng DSWD and they claim it as their own resources as indirect vote buying, but still, the Davaoenos believed in him. Ibig sabihin yan, that you cannot really topple down kung ano yung nagawa ng isang tao and trust na nag-gain niya sa mga Davaoenos. So, luckily, ako, si Duterte din, anak niya, kasama ako doon, nadamay lang ako, kumbaga, so nakuha ko rin yung boto, mostly na nakuha niya. So, yun, I'm so thankful for what's happened in the elections in Davao.
Wala ba kayong napag-usapan, Mayor, kung kailan po yung panunumpa ni PRD?
Wala pa naman kasi nangumusta lang ako. Yun lang inuna ko yung health niya o how he's feeling. So,
Mayor,
mambot, wako nang tao, hindi ako nagtanong. Next time, bukas, pangutanon ako.
Then I have a question. What did you feel when you first saw your father?
Honestly, mix ang emotions ko. Kasi, tatay mo yan eh. He's 80 years old. Sabi niya nga, 84 siya. So, it must have felt 4 years na siguro sa kanya doon na nasa loob siya ba? Hindi natin alam, di ba? So, we try to insist na 80. Tapos sinasabi niya, 84 daw siya. But it's only been, what? A couple of months, di ba?
3 days.
Yeah. So, yun. Well, I think at that age, siguro he's been a very popular former president ever since he came down. Yung wala namang nakakuha ng ganung trust rating even sa buong mundo. So, I really think he doesn't deserve this. Hindi naman talaga perfecto lahat ng administrasyon, lahat ng mga dumaan na presidente, pero why would you do this to a person that clearly na pinakita niya sa mga tao on how you love your country? So, during his term, like I said, hindi naman siya perfecto, but he always emphasizes the love for country. And yet you do this to him, 'di ba? So yun ang naramdaman ko na it's really so unfair that they did this to him.
A lot of people, sir, wanted to know if the former president is active, naglalakad ba siya, kung may activities ba siyang ginagawa, because a lot also are afraid that with his age.
Yeah, tama naman yung iniisip natin na ganun kasi nga matanda na siya. But siguro, I think on some days he's okay, on some days maybe not. Ganun naman ang tao, wala naman talaga consistent dito sa pagdating sa kasiyahan at sa kalungkutan, di ba? So, he's like anybody else. He's just an ordinary person at the end of the day. So, whatever, kung ano man yung mafe-feel ng mga tao na nakakulong, then he goes through with it. But he's a strong guy. He's yeah. So, there's a lot of reason for us to be optimistic about that. Yeah. Well, this inside. So, like, yan, kasi kami, mga pamilya, nakikita ninyo naman na pumapasok kami. So, pag nakikita namin kayo, that love that you have for him, yung energy nyo dito na hindi nawawala, it goes inside. It goes inside. Kasi kinukwento namin sa kanya lahat.